Hi, we are here to discuss cardiac care to be taken for heart failure patients. Heart failure occurs when the heart muscle is weakened and cannot pump enough blood to meet the body's need for blood and oxygen. The result is fatigue, shortness of breath, increased heart rate, lack of appetite or nausea, impaired thinking, and some people have coughing. Causes of heart failure. The most common conditions that can lead to a heart failure are coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, and previous heart attack. Everyday activities such as walking, climbing stairs, or carrying groceries can become very difficult. Heart disease can be a life-changing event. If appropriate care is taken, most people not only recover from this event, but go on to improve their quality of life to a higher level than before. After a heart attack, rehabilitation and post-care are vital parts of the process. A structured cardiac rehabilitation program is crucial to get the patient on the path of recovery and to prevent further illness. There is a common misconception that the heart is not to be stressed when it suffers the symptoms of heart failure. Cardiac rehabilitation plays a vital role in maintaining your heart healthy after getting diagnosed with heart failure. However, people with heart failure who complete a cardiac rehabilitation program have been shown to have less shortness of breath, less fatigue, and overall improved quality of life. Here are a few tips for a healthy heart. Moderate physical activity is recommended for patients diagnosed with heart failure. Exercise 3 days a week for 30 to 40 minutes as suggested by the doctor. Exercise like walking, jogging, running, bicycling, swimming, treadmill will help your heart pump blood and deliver oxygen to your body. There can be individual variations in diet, but in general, 50 to 60% calories come from carbohydrates like whole grains, peas, beans, etc. 20 to 30% from fats like beef, lamb, dairy foods. 15 to 20% from proteins like fish, nuts, poultry. An ideal meal should contain 1 portion of protein, 2 portions of grains, and 3 portions of vegetables. Limit consumption of margarine, oily or fried foods, red meat, sweet preparations like laddus, pastries, and carbonated drinks. Foods high in magnesium helps to protect heart. Include foods such as broccoli, potatoes, spinach, wheat germ, etc. Include at least 8 to 9 servings of vegetables and fresh fruits in a day's diet, and 1 serving of green leafy vegetables daily. Keep a check on blood sugar and blood pressure value. Decrease salt and sugar intake. Decrease intake of alcohol and stop smoking. Depression is commonly associated with the heart failure patients. Talk to the doctor to overcome or cope with your emotions. Here is how quickly the patient can get back to his day-to-day work. Patient can resume driving after 1 week of occurrence. Patient can resume to work depending upon heart health and how stress-free the job is. Continue medication as prescribed by the doctor. Consult the doctor before initiating any of these activities.